once you've created your property in AnyTrack, you add the tracking tag in the sales funnel settings, where the tracking code field, and then you save and grab your API key. We're going to create a new one, AnyTrack, no expiration, save. Okay, and we can copy it, go to AnyTrack, integrations, search for Systemeio, install the integration, give it a name, the API, and connect. Okay, no recent conversions recorded. You can save, and now you can trigger a conversion, and that is a purchase event. And now we should be looking at those events here. They are immediately tracked, and the purchase data is here, and everything is automatically sent out to your ads account conversion API.